Welcome to How to Change Out a Butterfly Valve by Delta T Products. These are the tools you'll need: a rubber mallet, a Phillips and flathead screwdriver, an Allen wrench, and vice grips. Use a Phillips head screwdriver or drill bit to remove the two retainer plate screws found on the top of the valve. Next, use a flathead screwdriver in the groove near the base of the stem to pop the stem out and remove the retainer plate. Use vice grips or pliers to completely remove the upper stem. Now it's time to take out the lower stem. Use an Allen wrench to loosen the lower stem set screw. Use a metric M6 or M8 threaded screw and hand tighten it into the base of the lower stem. This will be used to help remove the lower stem. On smaller valves, you may be able to use just vice grips and a rubber mallet to force the lower stem out of the valve body. For larger valves, you may want to use a vise with soft jaws. Place the head of the screw in the vise and tighten down with one hand while supporting the valve with the other hand. Use a rubber mallet to force the lower stem out. Remember to remove the screw from the lower stem. Now that the stems are removed, you can use a rubber mallet to gently tap the disc out of the valve body. On lug style bodies, the seat can only be removed in one direction. Make sure to remove the seat from the downstream side. On lug style valves, you'll notice a lip on the downstream side of the body. Because of this lip, the seat must be installed from the upstream direction. On wafer style valves, the seat can be installed from either side. Align the holes with the upper and lower stem and press the seat into position. Use a rubber mallet to tap it in all the way. Double check the seat alignment. You should be able to see straight through the valve. The top of the disc is the side with the square pocket. With the top of the disc facing the top of the valve, press the disc evenly into the seat. This is easiest to do when the disc is at a slightly angled position. You may need to use a rubber mallet to align the disc. Make sure the bottom side of the disc and the seat are aligned with the body. Then insert the lower stem and tap it in with a rubber mallet. Next, insert the upper stem into the valve body, making sure that the flats of the stem are aligned with the disc. Tap it in most of the way. Slide the retainer plate into the groove on the stem and carefully tap it down into position. Next, replace the two retainer screws that hold the retainer plate on the top of the valve. For the last step, replace the lower stem set screw and tighten snugly with an Allen wrench. Congratulations! You've just changed out a seat on a Delta T Products butterfly valve.